guys, this is Colin from LittleAnt company. Our company is a secure saw blade manufacturer in China. This is our product showroom. Let me introduce to you one of our hot sellers saw blade, this stone cutting blade. It has good heat dissipation, so it can be used for wet cutting and dry cutting. It is made by hot blasting with high quality diamond raw materials. Therefore, it has a long life and is sharp. Actually, it is multi-purpose. It can be used for granite, marble, concrete, and other different materials. The diameter of this one in my hand is 4.5 inch, 114 millimeters. But also it has many other different sizes. Let me show you. Such as this one, 190 millimeters, and this one, 10 inch, 250 millimeters. If you need to purchase any saw blade, please feel free to contact us. Finally, I wish you all a happy new year.